Where the fuck should I really even start?
Oh, it's an RC car. We've got the GoPro strapped to the front of our little car here. $5 in the top. I'm gonna write a little note. Try and get some like gum or some shit. Get him to chuck it in here, take the money and send it back out. Extra gum. This has to work, dude.
Extra gum, please.
He's noticed it.
One extra gum, please.
Yes! Yes! That's so good. Let's carve some shit up.
Still got no home, so I'm hoping for solo when there's a look up that on the paper, there's a lot of bottom if you don't know, but you when I throw.
Welcome back to another day of RC cars with Maitland and Ryan. We got some walkie-talkies this time. I'm gonna strap in a walkie-talkie to the RC car as well, and then just drive up to random people and talk shit.
Excuse me, this is actually a no sun baking area.
Could you please put your shoes back on? We've been getting some complaints.
You're saying put your shoes back on?
That's funny, yeah.
I guess we'll let you off with a warning this time, but next time we're just gonna need you to make sure you wear socks on the grass, please. Sorry. This shall never escape.
I shall never leave your side.
Attention friends, sitting down.
I have a mission for you.
Don't go to it!
There is a person off to your right.
They have an envelope for you.
Someone's gonna... Alright.
I've actually gone over to the lady. Please tickle my wheel.
Tickle the wheel?
Come in, fellow dancers.
Come in, fellow dancers.
Want to see some
Sweet moves.
I call this one the reverse mac and cheese. Oh shit, we've been spotted. Sorry guys, you actually can't take selfies in this area.
Thank you very much.
You're about to get smoked. 3, 2, and take off. Wow! Get ghosted. This is so funny, I don't know why. Man down, man down. The officers are saving the day. Thank you, sir. We're off, we're off.